After the 3 theme competitions, the singers are getting better and better, and the competition system of Sound Lives has also been fully upgraded. The theme of the Sound of Life San Gong is Hong Kong Philharmonic and My City Life. In the first half of the competition, the first cross-team male and female double cooperation was performed. The 8 groups of players were both cooperative and competitive. Each song of the 2 singers, only the one with the higher number of votes can win. The biggest change in this episode is that the 2 flying guests Zhang Jilin and Wang Yuan officially joined. They do not compete directly, but they bring a double card, which can be used to double the total expected value of any song. In the first half of Sound Unceasing, San Gong continued to be high energy. All 9 cooperative songs are worth adding to the playlist. All the cooperative stages have the effect of 1 + 1 > 2, which is also the most enjoyable to listen to since the show started. Once, the Miriam team won the first half, and the 3 songs Monica, Traffic Light and Dare to Love, Dare to Do were shortlisted for the Best Collaboration Golden Song. In general, the stage of cooperation between the 3 publics of The Voice is impressive. Lin Zixiang and Yi Qianwen, the Wang Bi husband and wife, conquered the audience with hard power. The adaptation of Li Jian and Miriam Young's Golden Songs brought a different story presentation. The previously questioned Mosaic Band, Magic Flash and Anqi have all brought a bright stage, and flying guests Wang Yuan and Zhang Jilin have also become extra points of the show. Zhang Jilin and Wang Yuan. The years are like songs. There is no knockout system in The Voice. In order to increase the freshness of the program team introduced flying guests. Zhang Jilin and Wang Yuan, 2 flying guests, one became popular through Brother Who Overcame Toughness, and the other was a traffic niche. The joining of the 2 also caused a lot of topical discussions. Among them, Wang Yuan's joining once caused a lot of doubts, and many people also wearing tinted glasses, sitting and waiting for Wang Yuan to roll over in the show.